Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the clock ticking sound effect in CapCut Mobile. So first just add your video. Here I'm going to add this clock video and I'm going to add the clock ticking sound. And after that just click on the add audio here, then go to the sound effects, and here you can just search for the clock ticking sound. So here just found the one you want. Okay, I'm going to add this, and here I'm going to trim the video so it fits with the audio like this. Let's see, let's hear it. Okay, so that's the sound, and you can also add like some fade out if you want. I'm going to add some fade out around 0.5, and also in the video I'm going to add the same animation fade out around 0.5, and let's see the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.